Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all you are doing good. So today I thought of sharing some job vacancy in the area of social work and social sciences. So Institute of Social Studies Trust is looking for a research consultant position and applications are invited for research associate, research assistant position at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. Also, the Center for Science, Technology and Society of TIS Mumbai invites you to attend the presentation by 15 promising scholars on 15 years of Forest Right Act, observation from 15 research scholars. Also, there is a call for internship in social work. We can check all these job vacancy in detail. Institute of Social Studies Trust is looking for a research consultant for a study on women in non-traditional livelihood in India. The person will be required to engage in 45 days assignments starting from 27th December 2021. Roles and responsibilities for this post are coordinate with the team for engaging in the field, conduct qualitative data collection in Kerala, write and finalize case studies and any other project related responsibilities. Eligibility for applying for this post: minimum 2 years of experience in qualitative research, knowledge of using tools to analyze qualitative data, and preferably located in Kerala at the time of the study. And you have to know the language Malayalam and English, and all field related costs will be borne by the organization. If you are interested to apply for this position, please mail your resume to the given mail ID. Applications are invited for research associate, research assistant positions at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. Institute called for research associate position for conducting a study of usage of digital transactions by young entrepreneurs and its impact on knowledge, attitude and practice for running enterprises in 2 districts in West Bengal. And desired qualification for applying for this post is postgraduate in social science discipline with minimum 55% of mark and knowledge of speaking, writing and reading English and Hindi. Research assistant position also called by the same institute on the topic empowerment and participation of scheduled caste youth in achieving sustainable development goal in Tamil Nadu. And desired qualification for applying for this post is postgraduate in social work or any social science discipline and having basis knowledge in research, and candidate having research experience and SPSS application will be given preference. And for applying for this post, I will give the details in my description box. The Center for Science, Technology and Society of TIS Mumbai invite you to attend the presentation by 15 promising scholars working on different dimensions of the Forest Right Act on 18 December at 2 p.m. And the research findings on various issues from Kerala, Tripura, Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka and Jammu and Kashmir will be shared by the research scholar. And the event is organized to mark 15 years of Forest Right Act. If you are interested to participate in this 15 years of Forest Right Acts observation from 15 research scholars, I will give the Zoom meeting ID and password in my description box. You can join for the same using this Zoom meeting ID and password. Call for internship in social work, which is going to happen from 22 December to 28 December 2021 at Calicut. So 7-day program it is, and students of MSW, MBA, degree or diploma in mass communication with good communication skills in English and Hindi can apply. And you have to send your resume to empowerindiafoundation@yahoo.com, or else you can WhatsApp to the number 9895993074 before 15 December 2021. Thank you for watching my video. I will come up with more videos which is related to social work internships, job opportunities, fellowship, scholarship and social work net related contents. Thank you so much for watching my video.